welcome back to our channel. This is T Beauty
with Brooke and Amy,
and today we are going to take you on a little adventure. We tried to go to Ulta, but that didn't work out.
No.
So we are going to do a drive-through / mukbang type thing, and you will see what kind of drive-through thing we're going to be doing here in just a minute.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just wanted to let you know what was going on.
Yeah. And we're going to take you on the ride with us, and we're going to show you what it's like to be in our daily lives. And yeah, we don't go to a million drive-thrus every day, but when we're riding, we're crazy. So we're going to jump on in.
Thank you for choosing A&W. My name's Brandon. Can I interest you in the #1 pop burger today, or maybe the cheeseburger family pack?
No, sir. Can you just give me a moment?
Absolutely, no problem.
Thank you, Chief. Okay, I think I'm ready.
Alrighty, go ahead.
Yes, I just want to get, just want a small root beer float, please.
Yep.
Alrighty, thank you.
Thank
They were all in their time laughing. Give me your money. Give me some money.
Just 1 second. Hi, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. 1 second for you.
Is that for you?
Thank you, Mike.
And that's my gift to you.
Alrighty, thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a good one. Good day.
The thing was on the whole time. Lemonade. We got to get one of those.
Oh yeah, we definitely got to get a green lemonade. We're pulling up 2 canes, my friends.
Hey, want some chicken today?
Yes, actually. Could I get a 3-finger combo with one of those green lemonades?
Okay, what else can I get for you today?
Just an extra piece of toast will do it.
Okay, anything else?
That would be it.
Okay, a 3-finger combo with a lemonade and 1 extra piece of toast.
Yes, ma'am. That sounds great.
Okay, it's going to be $8.64 your very first window. Thank you.
Thank you, Pip Pip.
Oh shit.
Lemonade. Need to catch up.
No, ma'am. Thank you. It's green.
There you go. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Take a shake. You like it?
Okay, sir. Yes. Can I get a number 29? And
Do you want cheese on it?
yes, please.
Anything else on it?
I mean, I guess just dressed. And then a number 3.
No mayo. No mayo.
No mayo.
No mayo on the burger.
Oh, no mayonnaise on the burger. Sorry.
The number 3?
No.
No, sorry. The number 29.
Number 29, everything, no mayonnaise.
Yes.
Okay.
What do you want to drink with the number 3?
Is that a deal?
And then the number 3 with the Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, and then a Dr. Pepper with the number 3.
Okay, anything else?
That will do it.
$12.70.
She was not having it.
She was not amused.
She was not amused.
Not amused.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, welcome to Burger King. Would you like to try the number 1 today?
No, ma'am. Can I just get one of your orders of the jalapeno cheddar bites, please? The large.
I'm sorry, we're actually out of jalapeno bites.
Oh, shit. Okay, can I just get an order of the mozzarella sticks?
For 8 or 20.
8 will be fine.
Okay. Will that be all today?
Yes, that will be all.
Okay, 3:38 at the first window.
Thank you, niece.
Thank you.
Shouldn't even care.
No.
At the first window? Oh.
She's crazy.
When you go over there, tell him Bob's your uncle.
Will do. Who's Bob?
There you go.
Thank you, niece.
Who the fuck is Bob?
Who's Bob?
Bob's our uncle.
Sure, Bob is. Should I really say it?
Is that Bob? Bob the uncle?
Hello. Good, how are you?
Where's Bob? Is that what she said to say? Bob's my uncle.
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you. Bob's my uncle.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Did you say hold on?
I don't know.
The lights on again. Okay, okay, I just want to get 2 of the white cheddar cheese bites, a chicken quesadilla, and a
Oreo milkshake.
an Oreo milkshake. Make it. Yes, that is it.
All right, your total will be $8.98. Hang on, let me just read the window.
Thank you, Sawyer. Peanuts are used in this stove.
Yo.
Thank you, sir.
Anything else for you?
That's it. Thank you so much.
He said, yep.
Pulling up to the Taco Bell, my friends. Ooh, get some cinnamon
Hello,
toast.
how are you?
Oh, I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm fantastic. Thanks for asking. Order whenever you're ready.
Yes, I need 2 of the shredded chicken mini quesadillas.
Okay.
1 beefy Fritos burrito. And an order of cinnamon twist.
Okay.
That would be it for me.
All right.
Two tacos.
Oh, I'm
Do you want
sorry.
any sauce?
Yeah, mild sauce, and I need 2 regular tacos.
Crunchy or soft?
Crunchy.
Is that all for you?
That's it.
Screen that correct up there?
Sure does.
Okay, $6.97. Hold that drop the window, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He said, I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. Sounds like you're doing A-okay, chap.
Right.
He was like,
Oh my gosh.
you're fine, thank you. Hey guys.
Hey, what's going on? We have got our food.
We're all back from our drive-thru adventures. It was super fun. Kind of weird.
Kind of weird, kind of crazy. Some people went along, some people didn't.
Yeah.
Some people just didn't give up.
No.
So, yeah.
But we just hope, you know, you got a good laugh out of it. We like to have fun and goof around sometimes, so.
And in these dark times we're in today, why the not?
Why not?
Why the not? As you can tell, we are in a different location today. We are in my bedroom.
In her bedroom.
Yes, we're in my bedroom. We get the vibes.
We got the vibes going on.
We got the vibes. We got the food. We got the drinks. We got the everything.
We got the everything.
So yeah, we're just gonna jump right in.
Yeah, I think we're gonna dive in and take this opportunity to eat and talk and tell you about ourselves. Really.
Oh yeah, we're gonna talk about ourselves.
And let you figure out why we're here, what we're doing here, where we plan to go, where we hope to go, all that good stuff. So we're just gonna dive into some things here. What are we going in with?
What are we gonna start? I think we should start with the main event here, people. I think we should start with cookout.
Oh god.
So we went to cookout and got a few things. First we got some cheese curds. And these are what the cheese curds look like. Oh my gosh. And they, when I say delicious, this is a big daddy. This is big daddy. When I say these are delicious.
They really are. I got a cookies and cream milkshake. I am doing a cheat day today. I'm typically a keto eater, but I've had a rough month to say the least.
Yeah.
So I deserve this. I'm currently fighting kidney stones right now. So because I couldn't have coffee, I'm going to drink a milkshake today and it's going to be okay. How we met. My husband and her husband, they're friends.
They were best friends way before they knew us.
Yep.
I met my husband probably about 10 years ago, probably like 11. I'm not really sure. Time doesn't matter at this point. And then I met this guy who should be not named. I don't know. Have we said the names on here yet?
I don't know.
Well, he met this guy named Joshua, and Joshua and Corey were the bestest friends there ever was. The best that there ever was. Me and Kyle, when we were together, we were living at his mom's house when we first got together. And this guy just keeps coming over. He just stays, like, there's a futon over there, and he just stays, and he doesn't leave here. He literally just slept there, like, literally every day, probably. And we had this little dog named Ted. He was the uncle to Ted, and he is still the uncle to Ted. To this day.
When he goes places, he just stays. It's kind of what happened with me. I'm just kidding.
And then probably about a year later, this one come along.
Yeah.
And that almost didn't make it. The wedding almost didn't happen, folks. It almost didn't happen.
Many, many years down the road, we now work together.
Yes.
At the same place, an undisclosed location.
Undisclosed.
So we do have a regular 9 to 5 that we work at.
I'm going to start eating this Frisco melt.
Frisco.
From Steak and Shake.
Steak and Shake.
Steak and Shake. And some fries.
So, we both are big, like, YouTube fans. We watch a lot of YouTube. You know, we like Jeffree Star, of course. Who else is there? Shane
Dawson, for sure. And Marlon. I think they're hilarious.
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 Morgan Adams.
Yes.
I watch Manny. She doesn't really watch a lot of him.
Not really.
Laura Lee.
I watched Tana Mojo, Amari and all that. I watched like Ashley Swan. Just a couple of people like that.
I watch a girl. Her name is Juicy Jazz.
Oh yeah,
she does like makeup.
She is pretty good.
Makeup store. She is good. I like her style.
And this is only like both of our like third day eating, so
we've been having some issues. Let me tell you.
Yeah, we've been having some sickness here lately.
Not
last
Corona.
week. No, last week while we did not post a video because I was like on this bed, deathly ill.
Deathly ill.
Could not move a muscle.
Deathly ill.
Didn't want to talk to nobody, speak to nobody, and let alone like get up.
No.
So
seriously.
now we've got the whole menus of every restaurant pretty much. We just said let's go in because
we haven't been able to eat in so long.
Cheers to eating.
Yeah.
Let's start it
We
out.
deserve it.
What is that?
A cheese stick. We're kind of cold, but whatever.
Where are those from?
Burger King.
Oh yeah. I forgot where everything's from. Already.
But yeah, we both like makeup, so we decided why not. I mean,
we both do it like
all the time.
All the time anyway.
We enjoy it. It's kind of like our escape from reality type thing.
I personally love it just because, like I said, it is an escape. And it is that like way of expression that you can show.
I like that we have like the YouTube and the Twitter and stuff because that's like a whole nother persona kind of that like I can't be all the time. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Like it's really who I would like to be all the time. I wish I could be, but my real life is different than this life, so I don't know. It's just weird. There you go. I'm just over here.
I just want the chicken. That was so good. But that was in English. But if you know me, you know this right here. That right there.
She's chicken upsized.
Is my best friend. It's my best friend and my husband hates it.
Taco Bell. We haven't even looked at that.
Taco Bell time. Alright, we got some stuff. We got some cautionary stuff here. We're gonna take some cautionary measures, make sure these get spent right where they're supposed to be, okay? Okay, so first, we've got the cinnamon twist. Now we've got an allergy. She cannot have cinnamon twist. So we're gonna safely place those right here next to the cheese curds. Then, what else we got here? I think we got a taco.
Why did you get a taco?
We got 2 tacos.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, remember?
Okay. I don't know why.
To have a taco.
To have a taco.
To have a taco. This is some kind of burrito.
It's Taco Wednesday.
Whoa, we got a Big Daddy in here. Oh, shit. We got.
What is that?
We got a Big
I don't think
Daddy.
we ordered that. What is that?
I'm not. Oh, that's.
Oh, Fritos burrito.
Fritos burrito.
I did order that. I don't know what this is. This has to be a quesadilla.
Oh, that's the mini shredded quesadillas.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Did they even give us sauce?
They're supposed to give us mild. That's it. It's okay.
One more.
Is there one more? Yeah, me
Is that what you're
too.
gonna try?
Yeah.
Are you not gonna try the Fritos burritos?
No, I eat those all the time. I know those are smashing.
Let me try the Fritos
It's so
burritos.
good.
I don't think I've ever had one.
Oh my god. So good. Seriously. So where do we see ourselves going in the future?
What's wrong? Future?
Anything's possible, right?
To space, honey. I mean,
No, like I don't think I want it. Like I don't want a makeup line. I don't want that. Like maybe I would do like a collab or something, maybe. But honestly, like I want to open up like a skin bar type thing.
Yeah,
like that's what I want to do.
That's definitely like the goal. Like skincare is big. Like makeup is like but skincare is just like. And I love doing facials like all the time. I love getting facials. I love doing facials. Yeah. The plan is the skin bar. And sooner rather than later.
Exactly.
Maybe to that expand on stuff like that. Just like good.
Maybe like a skincare line.
Yeah, just like a good skincare type situation.
Because without good skincare, your makeup ain't nothing. Your makeup ain't nothing.
No, it's really not.
I told you.
The Fritos burrito shit.
It really is good.
This Frisco melt slapped. As you can tell, it's like half gone.
Yes, the food was a great idea.
Food was a hit.
Everything was great. Drive-thrus were great.
I don't think you saw me ate one of these. I haven't ate one of these yet.
Can't do it. Can't be doing that.
Now, Taco Bell, good. Oh, that Fritos burritos. If you haven't had one, you need to get one. I mean,
they're only $1.
I mean, it's ridiculous, and you can't go wrong with the taco. I mean, you just can't go wrong with the taco.
Can't go wrong.
Cane's chicken,
Fire.
duh. These fries, cold.
Everything's cold.
Yeah. These cheese sticks, they're really not that bad. They would have been better warm, probably, but not that bad. And cheese curds from Cookout, if you haven't had them, you need to get them. When I say you need to get them, you need to get them.
And I'm gonna get this bread. Every time I get the chance, I'm gonna get this bread.
We're gonna get this bread.
Cane's bread. I'm such a sucker for, man.
Yeah.
So I think we're just gonna chill out here, eat some more food, relax, you know.
We're gonna vibe it up with the food.
Vibe it up. Yeah, and we appreciate you guys for being here.
Yes. We hope you liked the adventure today. We're so sorry we did not get to go to Old Town. You don't know how much that pained us as well.
As well,
So,
yeah. I was very upset.
I mean, that was just a little bit ridiculous, if you ask me.
But they're being safe, so whatever. Kudos to them, I guess.
Whatever.
Well, I guess we will catch you guys on the next one. And
We will catch
will
you guys
be
on
a
the
makeup
next
tutorial,
one.
so you have that to look forward to. So, well, bye guys.
Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of video you want to see
What you want to
next.
see? Yes, please.
Yeah, that's really about it. Hope you have a good Frida day.
That was ridiculous. Bye guys.